So hey guys, welcome to Clear and Case Coding, and in this video we would be discussing the solution of Codeforces round 655 div 2 problem B, Onkar and last class of math. So this was a problem based on the math theory which involved us to think of LCM and how to minimize that. So here is the problem statement. You can read the problem, but if I explain the problem in simple terms without missing any important point, then the problem is something like this. So we have to find two positive integer a and b. So this was the main name of problem. So we have to find this a and b such that their sum is equal to n. We would be given this n in the input, and the LCM of a comma b is the minimum. So we have to minimize this LCM. So we have to give two numbers whose sum is n and whose LCM is minimum. So here is some sample input output. Let's get to the explanation. So basically first let's discuss what is an LCM. So LCM is just a product of two numbers divided by the GCD. So the product would contain all the factors of A and B, and the GCD would cancel the duplicate factors so that they come only once. So here our task of this question is to minimize this. So we have to minimize the LCM. So since LCM is equal to A into B by GCD of A comma B, to minimize this we have to maximize this thing at the denominator. Since LCM is equal to A into B divided by GCD, so we have to minimize this, so we have to maximize this correspondingly. And what is the maximum value of GCD of A comma B? So the maximum value is B when B is a multiple of A, like GCD of 5 comma 15 is 5, so the greatest common divisor which divides both of them is 5. And so this is the case when we get the maximum GCD. So in this problem what we have to do is we have to find two numbers such that a plus b equal to n, and this LCM of a comma b is minimum. So if we have seen that to minimize the LCM we need to maximize the GCD, which could be done when b equal to m times a. So a plus, replacing this value by here, m times a equal to n, and m plus 1 times a equal to n. So this implies a equal to n by m plus 1. So we have found a, and b is just m times a. So and a equals to n by m plus 1. So these are the most optimal value of a comma b for which we will be satisfying all these conditions, that LCM is minimum and their sum is n. So now let's see that how can we implement this entirely. So let's get to the code, it would be giving us better clarity. So here is the code. So here if we see that for this value only, for the value of a is equals to n by m plus 1, so this m plus 1 is should be a proper divisor, since this value should also be integral. So n mod m plus 1 should be equal to 0. So this m plus 1 entire thing should be a divisor of n also. So first what we are doing is, first we are getting all the divisors in this array of the value n. So this algorithm works in square root of n. So we would be getting all the factors, all the divisors of n in this. Then we are sorting this array. So since also we have just satisfied all the condition by doing that this is a multiple of this, and then also if we minimize a also here, so by minimizing a, no, that would be wrong, so that is not a need. So we just need to find the factor such that this is a n plus 1 divides this, and here we have found some factor, we have sorted this divisor array, and then so 1 would always be a divisor of everything. So 1 2 3 4, so we are using this as a value, and using this formula, putting a here, we are getting b from this and then printing these two. So this was the entire math which we are doing. We are just finding all the divisor and using the second factor, because the first one would be 1, and with 1 we won't be able to get this formula working. So with the first divisors we can easily get this thing working. So this was the entire code. I hope everything was clear. If still something is not clear, do let me know in the comment section. I would be really happy to help you. and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as we would be regularly posting competitive programming material from this contest and various live contests. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.